Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back. Makeup look, and I think it's so good. I have super baggy jeans. I think it's super cute. They're like a more kind of their own. Okay. Oh my god. I was gone for a little bit of time, but I had just graduated and I just got knee surgery, which I'm still recovering from. That's not really an explanation, so we're back at posting videos again. As you can see, I'm looking a little bit crazy. Don't worry, I did my eyebrows off camera and I did try to do like an ombre look on my eyebrows. You'll know why in a little bit. But today we're going to be doing 2016 makeup. You know, like all of the like super cool 2016 makeup, like King Kylie era and all that stuff. I never got to live that. I fear I was really young to even like wear mascara. So we are going to attempt to use 2016 products. I may not have the same exact products that a lot of people used to like wear at that time. Okay, so now that we have the eyebrows ready, I am gonna do a quick skin prep, which is just gonna be some CeraVe and a little bit of serums so that my redness goes away. Also, I hope you guys noticed the intro. I am so happy that I have an intro now. I told you guys on my first YouTube video that I will have an intro and an outro for you guys, so stay tuned for the end of the video because I do have a super sick outro. A really good friend of mine did it, so shout out to Dominic for helping me out with my intro and my outro. He did it to a T, so I love it a lot. Okay, so we are going to see popular foundations in 2016. Because that's my next step in my makeup. Let's just go on Pinterest really quick. We're gonna do viral 2016 foundation and see what it comes up. I did have MAC Studio. I literally just finished that. Okay, I do have Hourglass. I have Too Faced Born This Way. We can definitely use Too Faced Born This Way. I have this NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and then I have the Too Faced Foundation. I would think this one's the most popular in 2016, but I did see a lot of pictures of the Too Faced, so let's go in with the Too Faced. Okay, per usual, I do like 2 pumps. Oh my god, I haven't used this foundation in forever, but I love the smell of it. We're gonna use this Morphe brush. It is Morphe M439. I fear I've gotten a little bit tanner. It's fine. We're gonna contour the hell out of this. Okay, everything is blended out. I'm kind of ashamed to even put my face on this camera because of like, hello. Let's do this eyeshadow quickly because that is my next step, and then we can actually contour this and save the day. We're gonna search up 2016 makeup. First things first, stunning. I really want to do this. Can I do that? I don't know. Y'all, I'm not that good, you know what I mean? But it was definitely this, and I actually really want to do like this type of eyeshadow, like the color, but I also really want to do a cut crease because I know that was super popular in 2016. Okay, we're gonna do this eyeshadow but with a glitter cut crease and praise that it comes out good. I tried to find a eyeshadow palette that was Too Faced or Anastasia Beverly Hills because I know those were super popular in that time. I don't have them. Not one. And I do have a Tarte, which I know was also very popular, but they're all pretty neutral colors, and I really want like an orangey, like toasted color, you know? So we're gonna use this Morphe palette, which has literally every single color you can think about. And I think these 2 shades are actually perfect. They look a little bit more orange on camera, but I promise it's not. And then we're also going to mix it in with some of these browns right here. We're going to start off with the color Bloody Mary. Then we're going to go to Sultry Lights. And then maybe Ganache or Espresso Martini on top of that. I'm going to use this brush to cut my crease. I got this at Target. I don't really know how to pronounce the brand, but if you really want to know where it's from, just leave a comment and I'll answer it. Let's go in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I know this was really popular because I saw so many tutorials of this and when I used to watch tutorials in 2016 makeup. Even though I couldn't really do 2016 makeup, it was like my comfort to know at one point I'm gonna be bad as fuck. Just like all those gals. King Kylie, you know, my idol. Since my eye is super weird, we are gonna try our best to do this cut crease, okay? I have attempted to do the cut crease. I don't really like this one, but I really like this one. I kind of don't know what went wrong. but we are going to change our foundations. I absolutely don't like this foundation right now. It's like not doing it justice on my skin, as you can see. Kind of peeling. Let's use this Hourglass foundation. I swear I had the stick foundation, but I only have it in a contour shade. So, okay, we sort of fixed the foundation situation. I feel much more comfortable in my skin right now. Now we're gonna do the glitter part of our cut crease, which I'm really excited about. None of them scream like glitter to me. I have this one palette from Fresa Cosmetics, and this is glitter. This is shimmer, but it's gorgeous. I just didn't think we could do purple. I think I found the one. It's just a little bit tan. Y'all, I think I found the glitter that I'm gonna use. It's this random container that I have in my dresser. I don't know where I got it from, but it's there and it's working pretty nice. I actually have to find out where these are from because they're so glittery and I really like them and I want them in a lot of more shades. I do notice that they do a lot of thick eyeliner. I noticed that on a lot of pictures. I don't have eyeliner, so let's go ask my mom for eyeliner. She did have eyeliner and it couldn't have been better. Urban Decay. Urban Decay was a big brand in 2016. All the baddies had it and I wanted it so bad. I was actually pretty good at eyeliner when I barely started doing my makeup. I think that's the thing that I was really good at. But as time kind of went by, I kind of stopped being good at it and I don't know why. Okay, now we're gonna move on to contour. Finally, we are gonna use Too Faced contour. I don't have any 2016 contours, but this is finally gonna look presentable. I did try to do some thick eyeliner. I don't think it came out that bad. With lashes, it's all just gonna come together. The Too Faced contour stick per usual, and this is in the shade Chocolate Caramel. I need to get a new one because I'm running out. Also want to know why we stopped doing 2016 makeup. It's actually so fun to do, to play around with a bunch of colors, and I honestly really love it. We are gonna do more contour though. I feel like I'm too pale for a 2016 girly. Okay, we did our nose contour super quick. I still want to add more contour because if you guys know what the next step is, I'm gonna give you a hint. Triangles and super bright. That's right, concealer, and I know it's gonna be super bright and we already got rid of the brightness. Should we add more contour? I think so. Now I know Too Faced Born This Way concealer was essential for 2016 makeup, but I really want to use this Huda concealer. Not sponsored, by the way. I don't know why I'm like super emphasizing on really wanting to use this, but I love this concealer and I always reach for this when I want a super smooth bright under eye, because this is literally like the brightest shade. It's Marshmallow 1.3, I believe. We're gonna do the triangles now. Oh wow, that is so scary. This was really popular back then. Okay, let's get on to blending. I feel like I look so strange. I'm like, I'm dead. We are gonna add more contour though, for sure. Oh my goodness. You know what? Looking at it up close, like my makeup, it doesn't look so bad. Like, it doesn't look horrible, you know what I mean? Okay, now we're going to do powder. I'm using Laura Mercier, not just because it was so popular 2016, but because I personally love it and it's like the only powder that I'll ever use. And it's super blurring, which I love. The gals did powder every single part of their face. They wanted no sweat. I did kind of see my mom go through the 2016 era, of course, and she ate so bad. Like, her makeup was so amazing, and I think that's like another reason why I really wanted to do my makeup in 2016. Obviously I couldn't, was because I really admire my mom, and just seeing her like get ready all the time and she looks stunning just made me want to do it more. Stunning, beautiful. What I would typically do next is blush. I'm not sure if they wear blush though, so let's search that up. We're back at 2016 makeup. It looks like they didn't really wear blush. Yeah, there's no blush in this. Ooh, maybe I should do the under eye shadow thing. I should do that. Aren't I a genius? They did really like the orange tones though. And I do have an orange blush, so we're gonna do that. I know that's a little bit of cheating, but I'm sorry, I can't live without blush. We're doing this Dior blush. I'm sorry, I know this is cheating, but I can't do it without blush. I can't. Just like, I feel like it added so much more contour to my face instead of just looking bright like the moon. Okay, what we are going to do is the under eye situation, so I need a super small brush for that. You know what, not bad. I actually really like that. I think I might start doing this now. This video taught me a thing or two. Definitely added something which I love. Now let's move on to lashes. My favorite part so far. The lashes are on. I told you guys it fixes everything. I feel like this makes it look just so much better. Now for the intense highlight. I do have the Benefit highlight. I don't know if this is the thing that the girls used, but hello, she's super intense. We're gonna use this Morphe brush. It's a little bit fluffy, but I think it's perfect for highlight. Brace yourselves. Oh wow. I don't think I've used that much highlighter in my life. Now, never say never. I don't want anybody pulling up any old pictures of me using a bunch of highlighter, okay? Never say never, okay? I don't think I don't recall using that much highlighter. Now, I did see they all use here, here, and in the inner of my eye. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this brush. This should also be a Morphe brush. It is ML200. We're gonna grab some and grab a lot. I actually really like this. Maybe it's because I'm reviving something in me that really wanted to be a 2016 baddie. Not saying that I'm a baddie, like I don't want to toot my own horn, but this is what I wanted to be when I was younger. And like I'm now like looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna make sure this highlighter is super bright. Wow. I also saw that they have some right here. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's review this picture again and see what we're missing, what we need to add, etc. Going back to this beautiful gal, they did do nude lips, but I also do notice how they did a lot of super intense, bold, dark lips as well. Mostly brown. I don't really see any other color. See, like, that's stunning. We're gonna try to find something that gives 2016 vibes. Talking about 2016 vibes, I collected almost every single thing that I can think about that is MAC, because all the girls had MAC and I wanted MAC too, girl. So we have a lot of lipsticks in here. Let's see which one fits best. We have this one, which is Saint Germain pink. Not really 2016, it's giving Nicki Minaj 2000s, which I love. And maybe I should do a 2000s makeup style. Oh, this is Yash. I use this all the time. You guys know this already. A lot of these are dirty, by the way, but it's fine. This one is Whirl. That looks pretty good. I still want to find my exact one that I want. This one is Dubo Knit Buzz. I fear we found the one. Let's put this one to the side. I really like that one. This one is Teddy 2.0. Oh, this one's good too. Let's put this one by the side too. And then this one is Honey Love. Too nude. This one is Hug Me. Too shiny. The matte lipsticks were a super big thing. Oh, I have this one. Let's try to go with the two that I picked out and we're gonna see where that goes. We're gonna end up going with the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. I think this one's perfect tone. It's like mauve, pink, I don't know. I think it fits. We're gonna swatch these out in our hands first. Ooh. It's like a red, and I don't know how I feel about that. And then this one is Teddy 2.0, which is that. I don't know. Let's go back to this one and see how this one looks. That one? I agree. We're gonna do MAC in the shade Burnt Spice. Hey, Spice eyeliner, Burnt Spice. Okay, I like that a lot actually. I think it looks really good. Okay, now let's go back to the picture again and see what we missed. Okay, we're back here. What I am noticing is a lot of under lash, so I'm gonna have to do some bottom lashes. We're gonna go in with this Apple mascara. If you know, you know. It's literally the Apple mascara. That looks good. Let me finish this eye. The eyes are done and I'm actually really loving this, and I'm thinking on doing this on my own time, like on myself, like no video, like me. We are gonna add some more highlight because the highlight was super pronounced. Okay, and then finishing touches, I added this shirt. It was my mom's, so I don't think I have chokers anymore, but I'll insert a picture if I find a picture of myself with a choker, because I had those like black ones that were like tangled up, but this is the closest it's gonna get to 2016. We're gonna add a little bit of this to make it a little bit darker because it's too nude. Perfect, literally perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed my little comeback because I was gone for a while, but I thought this would be a pretty fun video as my way of being like, I'm sorry for being gone for such a long time. But yeah, this is my take on the 2016 makeup. I tried to not change that many things about it because I think it's iconic and I think it should stay the way that it is. No changes made. This was such iconic part of makeup because everyone just expressed themselves so nicely and literally nobody judged. So like, can we go back or something? Hope you guys enjoyed my 2016 makeup video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.